Welcome back to Cooking with Rod, where today we're making one of the most refreshing, crowd-pleasing cocktails you can serve at a party, a Strawberry Margarita Pitcher. This recipe takes the classic margarita you already love and gives it a bright, fruity twist using fresh strawberries, real lime juice, smooth tequila, and orange liqueur. Instead of mixing individual drinks one at a time, we're making a full pitcher, which makes this perfect for backyard gatherings, summer barbecues, patio nights, game day parties, or anytime friends and family come over. What makes this version special is that we're not using artificial mixes. We start with fresh strawberries blended into a vibrant puree, combine it with freshly squeezed lime juice, and then balance everything with tequila and triple sec to create the classic margarita flavor profile. The result is a cocktail that's bright, refreshing, slightly tart, and naturally sweet, with that beautiful ruby red color that makes it look just as good as it tastes. Another great thing about this pitcher recipe is how versatile it is. You can serve it right away over ice, chill it in the refrigerator for later, or even freeze the mixture so you can scoop out frozen slushy margarita whenever you want. That makes this recipe great not only for parties, but also for batch cocktail prep ahead of time. Throughout this recipe, we'll walk through the entire process step by step, from prepping the strawberries and blending the fresh margarita base, to building the pitcher, serving the drinks, and even show you how to store, freeze, and refresh the mixture later, so nothing goes to waste. By the end of this video, you'll have a beautiful pitcher of strawberry margaritas ready to serve, with salted rims, fresh fruit garnish, and that perfect balance of sweet citrus and tequila that makes this cocktail such a classic. So grab your pitcher, your strawberries, and some fresh limes, and let's get started making a strawberry margarita pitcher right here on Cooking with Rod. Begin by gathering fresh strawberries, limes, and any garnish fruit you plan to use. Give the strawberries and limes a thorough rinse under cold water to remove any dirt or residue. Then dry them well so they're ready for preparation. Remove the green tops from the strawberries by hulling them with a small knife. This leaves only the sweet fruit, which will become the base of the margarita's vibrant strawberry flavor. Set aside a few attractive strawberries for garnish. These can be left whole or sliced depending on how you prefer to present the finished cocktails. Slice some fresh limes in half so they are ready to juice. Fresh lime juice is essential for margaritas because it provides the bright citric acidity that balances the sweetness of the strawberries. Squeeze the lime halves into a measuring cup. Measure the tequila using a measuring cup and set it aside. A good quality silver tequila works best for strawberry margaritas because it allows the fruit and citrus flavors to shine. Measure the triple sec or orange liqueur. This ingredient adds a subtle orange note that rounds out the margarita's flavor and helps connect the citrus and the tequila together. Measure the simple syrup. This adds sweetness to balance the acidity from the lime juice and the natural tartness of the strawberries. Place the hulled strawberries into the blender. These berries will form the base of the strawberry puree that give the cocktail its vibrant color and flavor. Pour the freshly squeezed lime juice into the blender with the strawberries. This begins combining the fruit and citrus flavors that define the margarita. Add the measured simple syrup to the blender. The sweetness helps soften the acidity of the lime and highlights the natural flavor of the strawberries. Blend the mixture until it becomes smooth and evenly combined. The strawberries should break down completely into a bright red puree. Place a fine mesh strainer over a bowl or a measuring cup. This will be used to remove any seeds or pulp from the puree for a smoother cocktail. Pour the blended strawberry mixture through the strainer. Allow the liquid to pass through while the seeds and thicker pulp remain behind. Using a spatula, press the puree through the strainer so as much smooth liquid as possible is collected below. Discard the remaining seeds and pulp left in the strainer. The result should be a silky strawberry mixture ready for the pitcher. Fill a large pitcher with ice. The ice will help chill the margarita mixture immediately and provide the proper dilution as the ingredients combine. Pour the strained strawberry mixture into the pitcher over the ice. The pitcher should immediately take on a vibrant red color from the strawberry puree. Add the measured tequila to the pitcher. This provides the bold spirit backbone that makes the drink a margarita. Pour the triple sec or orange liqueur into the pitcher. The orange notes help create the classic margarita flavor profile. Add any remaining lime juice if additional acidity is needed for balance. Stir the mixture gently so the strawberry puree, citrus, and spirits begin to combine. Taste the mixture and adjust if necessary. Additional lime juice can increase brightness, while more simple syrup can add sweetness. Add additional ice to the pitcher to finish chilling the mixture. Give the pitcher a final stir to ensure everything is evenly blended and properly chilled. Prepare the serving glasses by rubbing a lime wedge around the rim of each glass. The lime juice helps the salt stick to the rim. Dip the rim of each glass into coarse salt to create a classic margarita salt rim. Fill the prepared glasses with fresh ice. Pour the margarita from the pitcher into the glass until filled. Garnish the drink with a lime wedge. Add a fresh strawberry to the rim or the side of the glass to complete the presentation. If there's leftover margarita mixture, pour it into a clean mason jar or airtight container. Secure the lid tightly to keep the mixture fresh. Place the sealed container in the refrigerator for short-term storage. For longer storage, transfer the margarita mixture into a freezer-safe container, leaving a little room at the top for expansion. Seal the container securely with its lid. Place the container into the freezer until the mixture becomes frozen and slushy. Remove the frozen margarita mixture from the freezer when ready to serve again. Allow it to thaw slightly in the refrigerator until it becomes scoopable. Stir or mix the thawed mixture to restore a smooth consistency. Fill a fresh glass with ice. Pour or scoop the refreshed strawberry margarita mixture into the glass. Garnish with a lime wedge and strawberry and enjoy the drink once again. Alright, some notes from the bartender. One of the keys to making a great margarita is balance. A classic margarita relies on perfect relationship between tequila, citrus, and sweetness. In this strawberry margarita pitcher, the fresh strawberries add natural sweetness and flavor, so the goal is to keep the other ingredients balanced so none of them overpower the drink. If the margarita tastes too sweet, add a little more fresh lime juice. If it feels too tart, add a small splash of simple syrup. Will smooth it out. Fresh lime juice is extremely important for margaritas. Bottled lime juice can taste flat and overly acidic, while freshly squeezed lime juice gives the drink brightness and a natural citrus aroma. When you use fresh limes, the margarita tastes cleaner and more vibrant. Choosing the right tequila can also make a big difference. A silver or blanco tequila works best for strawberry margaritas because it has a clean, crisp flavor that lets the fruit shine. Aged tequilas work, but they introduce oak and vanilla notes that can change the flavor profile of the drink. The orange liqueur plays a subtle but important role in margaritas. Triple sec is the most common option. When making margaritas in a pitcher, proper dilution is important. Ice will slowly melt as the drink sits, which slightly softens the alcohol and blends the flavors together. If the pitcher will be sitting out for a while at a party, you can add extra ice or chill the mixture in the fridge beforehand so the drinks stay cold longer. The salt rim is another signature margarita element. Salt enhances the sweetness of the strawberries while balancing the acidity from the lime juice. Some people prefer a half salted rim, so guests can choose how much salt they want with each sip. You can also experiment with sugar rims or chili lime seasoning for a different flavor experience. Fresh fruit garnishes make a big difference in the presentation. A strawberry and a lime wedge combination gives the drink a colorful, professional look that feels perfect for summer entertaining. Garnishes also reinforce the flavor of the cocktail, so guests immediately know what kind of margarita they're about to enjoy. Another great feature of this recipe is that it stores well. The margarita base can be refrigerated for a day or two, and it can also be frozen. When frozen, the mixture becomes a slushy texture that can easily be scooped or stirred back into a frozen margarita. This makes it easy to prepare cocktails ahead of time for parties or gatherings. If you want to turn this into a frozen strawberry margarita, simply blend the mixture with additional ice until it reaches a smooth, slushy consistency. Frozen margaritas are especially popular during the warm weather when they are extremely refreshing. You can also experiment with variations. A splash of orange juice, pineapple juice, or mango puree can create a different tropical version of the same cocktail while still keeping the margarita base intact. Finally, remember, pitcher cocktails are meant to be fun, shareable drinks. Making cocktails in batches allows you to spend less time mixing drinks and more time enjoying the moment with friends and family. When everything comes together, fresh strawberries, bright lime juice, smooth tequila, and a salted rim, you end up with a cocktail that's colorful, refreshing, and perfect for entertaining. That's exactly what makes a strawberry margarita pitcher such a great drink to serve at gatherings. And there you have it, a fresh, vibrant strawberry margarita pitcher that's perfect for sharing with friends and family. This cocktail brings together the bright flavor of fresh strawberries, the tang of real lime juice, and the smooth kick of tequila to create a drink that feels refreshing, festive, and incredibly easy to serve when you're entertaining. One of the best things about making margaritas in a pitcher is the simplicity and convenience. Instead of mixing individual drinks all night, you can prepare the entire batch ahead of time and have it ready to pour whenever the guests arrive. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue, a summer party, a game night, or just relaxing on the patio, a pitcher cocktail like this keeps things easy while still feeling special. The combination of fresh fruit, citrus, and tequila creates a perfectly balanced cocktail that is sweet, slightly tart, and incredibly refreshing. And with the salted rim, lime wedge, and strawberry garnish, every glass looks just as good as it tastes. It's the kind of drink that instantly makes any gathering feel a little more festive. Another great thing about this recipe is how flexible it is. You can serve it right away over ice, chill it in the refrigerator for later, or freeze the mixture for a frozen margarita version that's perfect for hot weather. That makes this recipe great, not only for entertaining, but also for preparing ahead, so you always have something ready when friends drop by. If you enjoyed this recipe, there are plenty more cocktail pitcher recipes coming your way. Pitcher drinks are one of the easiest ways to serve cocktails to a crowd, and they open the door to all kinds of fun flavors and seasonal combinations. Thank you for spending some time here behind the bar with me today. If you like simple recipes, big flavors, and drinks that are perfect for sharing, make sure to stick around because there's always something new coming up here on Cooking with Rod. Until next time, take care, enjoy your margaritas, and I'll see you in the next recipe.